I can make you smile the way you make me smile. I might be just a little more worth your while. All the days I spent wasting away my heart, it took off and got its own head start. Selfish for the willingness to risk all the time and effort we've put into this. But I can guarantee if you just take my hand, then I won't let go. No, I won't let go. I never had to fight myself inside. I didn't think that I had much to hide. But when our hands first touched, how I knew. But when my heart took off, it was chasing you. And maybe I'm selfish for the willingness to risk all the time and effort we've put into this. But I can guarantee if you just take my hand, then I won't let go. No, I won't let go. And I'll be there to catch you when you're falling down. And from my arms I'll bring you back up to your cloud. Because I know right up there is where you belong. And if you're brought to your knees, you best believe for you I will be strong. Oh, oh, oh. And I need you here with me, yeah. 'Cause for you I give anything. And maybe I'm selfish for the willingness to risk all the time and effort we've put into this. But I can guarantee if you just take my hand, no, I won't let go. No, I won't let go.
What's up, guys? I'm Larry, your host for Noise Complaint Sessions, and today I have the infamous Urian. How you doing today?
Doing alright, my man.
That's what's up. I heard your sesh. How do you feel?
Feel pretty well.
Feeling pretty good about it?
Yeah, definitely.
So, with your acoustic music, where do you get your inspiration from? How do you come up with your music? You just lock yourself up in a room and just start strumming away, or?
No, actually, it's just like, I could be anywhere at any time, and then I just like get a line in my head. I'll put it down on my phone, or I'll write it down. I really like writing it on note paper. I feel like that's more magical. But I get like a melody in my head, and I'll record it on my phone or something. I'll go get back to it later. But then usually I'll have to spend like a day locked up just to like finish up something.
Now, is the acoustic your only instrument, or do you know any other instruments? How many instruments do you actually know?
A lot. I play guitar, I play ukulele, I play bass guitar, I play saxophones, and I also play tuba. So,
wow, yeah. So you got musical talent coming from everywhere, man. Who would you say your biggest influences are when it comes to your music?
You mean as far as professional artists?
Yeah,
or?
Professional artists.
Oh, that's a lot. I gotta say, like, John Mayer's like acoustic work is like really like awesome. I actually like a lot of like acoustic punk bands, like when Bayside plays acoustically, like their stuff is like really amazing. I listen to some instrumental music, like Andy McKee.
Right.
Yeah, so good guitar music.
That's awesome. And when was the first time you really got into playing the acoustic?
Well, my dad is a singer, and when I was growing up, he would sing, and I was never really into it. But one day, my cousin had locked me up and chained me to a staircase, and I was forced to stay there until he unlocked me from the staircase.
Oh, wow.
So from the top of the staircase, I heard my dad singing. It was just a normal day. I was like 6 or something like that, and then I heard him singing. It was just like a different thing that day. And my uncles were playing guitar with him, and it was just like something happened and it clicked in my head, and I was like, that was amazing. And then earlier we were jamming Plush, and that was the song that made me want to be a musician.
So Plush by Stone Temple Pilots.
Yes, sir.
So, what's next for you?
Oh, well.
Where do you go from here? I mean, you have so many instruments that you know how to play under your belt. You played an amazing acoustic set. Where do we go from here?
Try and work hard and, really push to put my music out there and finish up what I've started. I've started a lot of it, and I want to get it, finished and just put it out and just show people, what I love to do. If they like it, they like it. If they don't, it's, I just feel like I have to share it with the world. So, yeah.
On a more serious note, do you think we as humans have free will? Or do you think everything is predestined?
That's a very, very, very heavy question. And I do believe that we have free will. And I do believe that based on, the course of our actions, we end up later on, it's already known by, if you believe in a higher power, you say the higher power or the universe, if you don't. So, yeah, I do believe you have free will.
That's awesome. All right, so let's move on to something a little more, a little less serious, right? A little less heavy.
For sure.
We're going to just shoot some questions, speed round, this or that, or would you rather? The Who or the Rolling Stones?
The Who.
Okay, Freddie or Jason?
Like, do I like, or am I scared of?
Oh, both. Who are you scared of?
I'd probably pick Freddie.
The beach or the mountains?
Beach.
Would you rather be blind or deaf?
Blind.
Facebook or Twitter?
Facebook.
SpongeBob or Patrick?
Patrick.
Star Wars or Star Trek?
Star Wars.
Well, thank you so much for being here today. I'm all out of questions. If you'd like more information on Urian or Noise Complaint, just check out the links below. Thank you so much.
Man.
All right. take it. How long does this keep on? Both awake and asleep, I find I am longing for your love, but I don't know what to do this time. But what I do know is your eye on mine. They make my knees start to tremble. I'm dying to find the world hiding within your mind. Your voice, its sound makes me feel like I'm in paradise. A pure heart I found. It's so hard to stay on solid ground. Oh, it's so hard to stay on solid ground. Don't know if Mother Nature has been cruel or generous in making you a master stroke in God's creation. Yeah, well, I'm getting impatient, waiting for signs. I don't know if my heart can wait a lifetime. I don't know if time is on our side. But what I do know is your eyes on mine. They make my knees start to tremble. I'm dying to find the world hiding within your mind. Your voice, its sound that makes me feel like I'm in paradise. A pure heart I found. I'm trying to break this out to you right now. Oh, I'm trying to break this out to you right now. Start to tremble. I'm dying to find the world hiding within your mind. Your voice, its sound, it makes me feel like I'm in paradise. A pure heart I found. It's all out on the table now. Oh, it's all out on the table now.
What's up, guys? Larry here again. Just want to remind you to tune in next week for our very exclusive interview and performance with Magpie. Thank you.